Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am doing my very first wreath for the fall. Before we get started though, I would like to let you guys know this is a collaboration video with mommavlogs, and I'm so excited that I am doing this because she decorates and makes her floral arrangements and her wreaths amazing. Like guys, I absolutely love everything she does when it comes to floral arrangements and wreaths, and they're so affordable and so like gorgeous. I'm so jealous. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please go to her channel, subscribe to her channel, let her know I sent you. She also does cleaning videos, cooking videos, and decor videos. And let me tell you, let's track back to the cooking videos. She be cooking, like she be cooking. So definitely go check out her channel, get some ideas for wreaths, floral arrangements, cooking, all that, all that jazz. So definitely go check out her channel. I would greatly appreciate it. So anyways guys, let's get started with my fall wreath. Okay guys, I am going to start off with what items I am going to use, and this is the wreath I will be using. All these products are going to be from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to attempt to put this scarecrow on it and a ribbon to make a possible bow, and of course I got some florals, and then another pumpkin. So I am going to get started with this. I am still learning as I'm going, so I don't know how it's going to end up looking, but you guys will see in the end. So guys, the first thing I did was pretty much set up all my florals. I just pulled them apart from the stems and as well as the leaves to just make it a lot quicker for this process of making my wreath. However, as you guys will watch the rest of the video, you guys will see how badly I struggled, mainly with my scarecrow and my pumpkin, because honestly guys, in my head my wreath was coming out nice, but when I actually did it, it was no bueno. So obviously right here I am just checking out to see what I should do, giving myself some ideas. Like I did say, this is my first wreath, so bear with me guys, because this was kind of not hard. It was really easy to do, but it was really kind of like frustrating. Like, look how cute that would have been if it was successful. But anyways, you guys will see why it didn't work, but it's fine. It still came out cute. So right now I took this wire and tried to, like, I don't know guys, I tried to use that wire, stick it in there to see if I could like wrap it around the wreath, but you guys will see. Okay, so that idea was definitely not working. I just could not figure out how I could attach it to my wreath. So what I finally did was try to hot glue it together. So I really thought this was going to be like successful. However, when I kind of glue it together, there wasn't really like, if you could tell by the wreath, it's like branches. I don't know if they're branches, but you know what I mean. So it didn't have like a smooth surface, so it really didn't attach to the wreath really good. I even tried to like put the scarecrow, stick it in there, not stick it in there, but held it in there just for a few minutes, and you can see here guys, it's just total flop. I was really upset because I really love those scarecrows, but it's okay, I used it for somewhere else. And then here's another fail. I really thought this ribbon was super pretty, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make myself a ribbon bow. And I was like, yeah, this is gonna be so easy. And yeah, it was not. I couldn't even like look at that. I was getting so frustrated, and it's just like would not just, you know, I had to, you know, my boyfriend had to help me because the frustration was real. But I obviously, guys, I was trying so hard. I was getting really disappointed, but guys, I don't understand this ribbon whole thing. I really thought in my head it was coming out perfect, and I was like, yeah, I'm about to kill this like ribbon thingy. It's gonna be super cute and everything, and obviously it did not happen because obviously you see me here seeing the struggle right now, and then next thing you know I just was like, never mind. So anyways, I decided to just let that go and just started hot gluing the florals to the wreath. I know a lot of people don't hot glue it together, they just kind of like stick it in, and then that way it could be interchangeable within seasons. However, I did want to kind of keep this permanent so I can use it for my next years, you know, of using this. That way, obviously guys, it was a struggle for this just one, so I don't think I'll be making any wreaths anytime soon, at least, you know, not, you know, this type of wreath, because it really was, I was so excited to do this. But anyways guys, so I just held it down just a little bit so it could glue to the wreath, and then I just keep repeating until I got it all nice and how I wanted it to be. So guys, I was upset that I couldn't use my scarecrow, but then I realized, oh yeah, I had another one. So I was like, this time it was the stick one, so it was so much easier to attach. So I just stuck it right through that wreath, and I was like, there was no way I was not going to use a scarecrow, because it's like, I bought these scarecrows for a reason and I'm going to use it. Even then, look at me, I'm struggling so hard, but I still ended up having my scarecrow because I needed it. And yeah, I was so excited that I finally found, not finally found, but I remembered that I had a scarecrow that was, you know, with a stick. But anyways guys, I took this pumpkin off of this floral arrangement, and I needed a pumpkin, of course, so I ended up just hot gluing that pumpkin right next to the scarecrow, and voila, there you go, there's a pumpkin on my wreath. Because obviously that big orange pumpkin was not happening because I realized it was too bulky, of course, but luckily I did have a pumpkin on one of the floral arrangements. Oh, there you go, with the, oh gosh, I was not holding it down hard enough, I guess, but it's still stuck on there. So here I'm again, just, you know, adding some more florals because, you know, I love florals. And yeah guys, yeah, just keep on watching. I did add some leaves to it because I felt like it was just too plain. So you've seen me in the previous few minutes ago that I was using these leaves so I could give a little bit more of a better feel to the wreath. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I am almost to 1,000 subscribers, and you know what that means. I'm gonna have a giveaway, so if you have not already, please follow me on my Instagram, which it will be linked below in my description box, so you guys can stay tuned for that giveaway. Just wanted to announce that right now because I'm so excited because I'm almost at 1K. It is a struggle though, but I'm getting there guys, and I'm so excited. Okay guys, I will stop talking and let you see the rest of this video. So guys, I am finally done with the floral part, and then I decided to actually go, I don't know why I even attempted to use that pumpkin because I knew better. Anyways, I needed to use this ribbon because, I did spend $1 on it, but $1 is $1 and I needed to use it. So I wrapped it around the wreath because I felt like it just gave it that extra nice little shiny touch to it. So guys, I am done with this wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe. I really appreciate it, and also hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And also go check out Mama's Vlogs channel. You guys, seriously, go check her out. She's amazing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.